cinnamon, its specific name known as Cinnamomum verum, is a genus of a bushy evergreen tree of a laurel family, which also known as Lauraceae, where the spice is derived from its bark. Physically described, the tree grows in a moist, well-drained soil and rarely reaches more than 15 meters in height. It has a thick, simple leaves with a smooth margins and are usually in a oval in shape. Cinnamon also contains 0.5 to 1% of essential oil, which is the principal component of the cinnamic aldehyde. And then the veins of a cinnamon tree are roughly parallel to each other, and the young leaves are red and mature to a deep green. And lastly, cinnamon has a delicately fragrant aroma and warm sweet flavor, which are used to flavor a variety of food and beverages.
Hello, in this part, I will begin to explain about chemical and active compound. First compound I'm going to explain is E-cinnamoldehyde. E-cinnamoldehyde is an organic compound with a molecular formula C9H8O, or it can also be written as C6H5CH equals CHCHO. This compound is the main component of cinnamon oil, which is extracted from the bark of cinnamon trees. It is responsible for giving cinnamon its distinct flavor and pleasant smells. The letter E refers to trans isomer of cinnamoldehyde. This means that the hydrogen atom and pentyl group are located on opposite sides of the carbon-carbon double bond. That's why it's also called trans-cinnamoldehyde. The IUPAC name for this compound is E3-penoprops 2-enals. Next, let's move on to coumarins. Coumarin is also known as 2H-coumarins. 2,1 is an aromatic organic compound with the formula C9H6O. It can be described as molecule that contains benzene ring connected to a lactone ring. This structure forms what is known as benzopyrrole. Coumarins occur naturally in many plants such as tonka beans, sweet clover, and of course cinnamon. It has sweet vanilla-like scents, which make it very popular in the perfume and flavoring industry. Even though it smells nice, coumarin must be used in small amount because high concentration can be toxic to livers. The compound's unique structure containing both an aromatic ring and lactone rings allow it be classified as lactones. Overall, coumarins play an important role in fragrance, flavor, and also some medical applications. Now, let's talk about cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid is an organic compound with formula C6H5CH equal to CHCOOH. It is white crystallized solid that is slightly soluble in water but dissolves easily in many organic solvents. It classifies as unsaturated carboxylic acid because it contains a carbon, double bonds, and carboxylic group. Cinnamic acid occurs naturally in several plants, including cinnamons, and it can exist as two different isomers, cis and trans. Among these two, the trans form is more stable and more common in nature. The cis form is sometimes called allocinnamic acid. The IUPAC name of cinnamic acid is 2E3-penoprop 2-enoic acid. Cinnamic acid is used in making perfume and flavoring agents. It also serves as a starting material in the synthesis of other organic compounds such as ester and amides. That's all for my part. Thank you.
So here is the diagram of the benzyl benzoate. Basically, benzyl benzoate has a benzene ring on both sides of the molecules connected by an ester functional group COO. This structure makes it a non-polar and stable compound, allowing it to dissolve well in oil but not in water. In cinnamon, it contributes to the fragrance and the chemical stability of the essential oil. It also plays a role in the preservation and aromatic properties of a cinnamon extract.
The last active compound is cinnamyl alcohol, which also known as E3-phenylprop-2 and 1-ol, is a natural aromatic compound which can be found in a cinnamon that contains an alkene and a primary alcohol group, giving it a sweet, warm scent and contributing to its antibacterial and flavoring properties.
So here I would like to talk about the uses and the benefit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is not only known as a spice but also as a natural ingredient with many health benefits. Here are 5 important uses and the benefits of cinnamon. So the first one, it helps control blood sugar. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar level and improve insulin sensitivity, which is especially helpful for people with diabetes. And the second one is high in antioxidant. It contains strong antioxidant that protect our cell from oxidative stress and help prevent diseases. And the third one is anti-inflammatory properties. The compound in cinnamon help reduce swelling and inflammation in the body, which support overall health. The fourth one is fight bacteria and fungi. Cinnamon has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can fight infection and keep food fresh longer. And the fifth one is improved brain function. The sense and active compound in cinnamon can boost concentration, memory, and alertness.
In conclusion, cinnamon is more than just a flavorful spice. It is a rich source of bioactive compounds such as cinnamaldehyde, cinnamyl alcohol C9H10O, and eugenol, which contribute to its distinctive aroma, taste, and powerful antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Through this presentation, we can appreciate how chemistry helps us to understand the natural compounds behind everyday ingredients and their potential benefits in food, medicine, and daily life.